what's going on. Don't mind me, there's light shining in my eyes trying to blind me. I have this Por 15 because everybody seems to swear by it, and it either came from the heavens or the gods. As they would say, Zeus created it, and apparently it's phenomenal at stopping rust or preventing rust, which is the problem with the E30. I think I might need to spray the car in this. So yeah, we need to put this on here. We're gonna be doing a course of things. We need to put this on here, slap in the, put in the bearings, put in the polyurethane bushings, and get going with that. So basically what you're gonna see is prep. It's a bunch of boring things that I don't think you're that interested in. Denatured alcohol to rub it down, then we're gonna paint it. You know, good times. Good times. Good times. The other one. Yeah. Oh, this might not be a very influential part. Line them up. Looks like you're a little. What's going on? Old age is not good for you. Oh, you got it off to the side. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're underneath here. And it's a pain in the ass because I'm by myself. And yeah, because I don't feel like having you listen to all my profanities and what have you, I will get back to you once this thing is bolted in and secured and I can lift it back up with the lift. Because no one likes lying on their side or on their back doing this. And give me a moment, we'll get right back after this commercial break and this short commercial by our sponsors. Alright, this is what's up. So this is the car back underneath here. I don't even know if you have enough light, but polyurethane bushing, bolted back in, put some Loctite on these, and these are all tight. However, you need to also retighten these bad boys when the car get back on the ground. So, you know, to prevent all of that, you need to clean up some of these things. You know, like all this extracurricular grease right here. I don't even know if you can see that. We're gonna zoom in. What you missed was a bunch of profanities. And, you know, that's not really a good thing anyway. I need to reduce my cursing. But within putting this back in, also, what happened was, because I'm here alone doing this, I scratched the hell out of it, so I'm gonna have to reapply some of the 415 back on it, but it won't really be an issue this time because the top didn't get scuffed the hell up, dragging it and cursing at it and banging on it. So we're gonna redo the bottom. And once we redo the bottom, all will be well in the world, kind of, until we move to the front to go redo the front. So, yeah, let's go to the next step in all of this, and we'll be right back. All right, I need to unbolt and loosen up or take off the shocks because we're gonna change those too. Give me a moment. We'll show you what's up. All right, we're back, and more madness. Coilovers. We need to put them on. These aren't true coilovers, these are the assisted, but these are 51 millimeters. Yep. And these need to go on the back of this bad boy. And like everything else, because I'm here doing it by myself, it's gonna be a little bit more complicated than it needs to be. But I assume we'll get it done, because is really just the only option. Get it done. But alright. I'm going to try to figure out what's the best way to put this bad boy on, and I'll be right back with you. Whoop. Sit daisy. Let's see. No? Oh, we got it. Wheel. And surprisingly, that's that. Here we go. This is the end result. Rear coilovers are on. Yep. We're going to be doing that now. We're back here. This bad boy is doing what it's supposed to do. So, on the next time, in the adventures of poor financial decisions, you know, we're going to be putting all of this back on and upgrading stuff back here also. So, yeah, you know, it's not over yet. We're still adding more suspension bits, upgrade bits. But yeah, until next time, peace.